In this video, I'm going to tell you about your Jupiter. Is it strong or weak in your chart? So I will tell you some signs by which you can know it is weak or strong in your chart. Okay, so let's get started. If you want to take personal consultation, you can check the website or you can check the description box and comment section. So let's get started. So Jupiter is a planet which rules the 9th house and the 12th house. It is a planet of spirituality, dharma and our luck. First thing is there, if you are a dharmic person, means that you walk on the right path. You always do the dharmic things, you walk on the right path and do the right thing, then your Jupiter is definitely strong. If you are lucky, somewhere luck supports you, somewhere you come out of a problem, somewhere you feel that luck is supporting me. If you feel lucky, not all the time but at least sometimes, then your Jupiter is in your favor. If you don't lie, cheat and do the right things, your Jupiter is in your favor. If you are a good kind hearted person who values others time, who values others belief system or their way of thinking, never judges others, who values others way of thought or others way of thinking, that person also has strong Jupiter. Okay, if you value others, if you value their thought pattern, if you value their belief system, then also somewhere your Jupiter is supporting. Okay, if you value them, if you don't disrespect people, if you don't feel jealousy or hatred towards someone who gets successful, then Jupiter is in your favor. If you are a good person, if you don't lie or cheat, then your Jupiter is strong. Okay, so these are some signs which shows your Jupiter is strong in your chart, right? If you are not lazy, if you are a hard working person, if you are a positive optimistic person and you do the optimistic right things, then your Jupiter is strong in your chart. Okay, so these are some signs which shows your Jupiter is strong or weak. Other thing is, you don't disrespect elders, you respect elders and you respect religion. You don't disrespect any religion, you respect all religion and you believe in God, you believe in divine. Okay, you don't play with someone else's feelings or emotions, then your Jupiter is strong. Now let's say if you do these things or have these things, and then how can you make your Jupiter strong? What is the way? So the first way is that you have to improve yourself. Okay, wake up early in the morning, pray to God, follow a good habit and you walk on the right path, become a good person. Don't disrespect elders, don't disrespect religion, don't disrespect your gurus, your teachers. Okay, the people who disrespect guru or teacher, they make their Jupiter weak. Even if they don't have weak Jupiter, because of their actions they make their Jupiter weak. Never disrespect guru or teachers, your parents, elders, right? If you do it, you make your Jupiter weak. Other thing you can do is always walk on the right path, always walk on the dharmic path to achieve something in your life. Then you can pray Lord Vishnu on Thursday especially, but every day you should light diya in front of his picture. Worship him, bow down to him, join your hands in front of him, pray to him. Just this much is enough if you do every day, morning and evening. So sometimes our parents do something for us and we think that whatever they are doing is not good for us, right? And we blame them, but later on we know that whatever they did for us was best, right? So same way, we are children in front of God. We don't know what is good, what is bad for us, but God knows, right? And God knows the bigger picture. So God knows the bigger picture, so always trust and walk on the right path. Definitely you will get everything. So thank you so much. I hope this video was helpful. May God bless you and fulfill all your wishes and desires. Bye.